everybody, we're here at 39475 West 13 Mile Road here at Novi Office Centre in Novi, Michigan. And we have a Schindler elevator. It's a Schindler HT 330A. You can see some lights up there. I wonder what those are for. January of 2006. Let's go to the second floor. It's actually a very pristine 330A. It's also a Hollis hydraulic model as well for this one. Push the door close button, but we know door close doesn't work anyway. And we'll take our cab view. I think it's pretty safe to say that this is a very nice elevator. £2,100 capacity, a little bit smaller than typical 2,500 ones, but still a very nice elevator. All right, that will be it.